Hey everybody, today we are going to be restringing our DeWalt weed whacker with some new string. Now I've done this job several times, but my wife hasn't. So I'm going to see if I can explain it well enough that she can actually get it done. And DeWalt and Milwaukee actually share the same restring system here. So if you've got either one, you're going to be finding this video very helpful. So the first thing that we want to do here, cover off, is make sure that we got the battery out, because we don't want any accidents to happen. So one of the things that I did do before I asked my wife to come out here was pre-measure the string that we're going to use here. So I've got 1, 2, 3 arm lengths of string, and that's going to be enough. Okay, so this is my wife here, and I got to ask you one question. Have you ever restrung one of these weed whackers before?
No.
No? Perfect. That's exactly what we want, because maybe their viewers haven't done it either, so that's the whole point. And so we're going to put a new string in there, or you're going to put a new string in here. Can you see this little thing right here?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so can you turn that indicator until you can actually see a hole all the way through?
Yep.
Okay, so now you see a hole all the way through?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look. Bullseye. So now we're going to take our string. Do you want to put this down on here? Yeah, there you go. So you're going to feed one end of that string through the hole. Perfect. Okay, so just lay down the weed whacker on there. And what I would like you to do is take this end and the other side and just walk back until you have them both equal lengths.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Just kind of follow up here, because we're going to grab this at the top. Okay, so now the same way that you twisted that to find the hole, you're going to do that again, and you're going to do it with the string in there.
So I have to hold this lower part.
Yep.
And
yes, so you can let go of this.
Okay.
And you can give that a twist. I find it easier if you actually can hold this in one hand. Maybe hold this and crank the bottom.
Can't really, my hands are not done.
And so just a case of note, this thing only rotates in one direction, so you can't get it wrong.
Oh, so we're just moving the bottom
We're just
piece.
moving the bottom
Okay.
piece.
And I feel that
And you can,
the string kind of goes inside.
so you feel it going through your hands there?
Yeah, I
okay,
do, yeah.
Perfect. That's exactly what we need.
Interesting.
There used to actually only be one line, and then the newer systems came out with 2, but they were a little bit hard. So this here is our cutting mechanism here. So when we actually spin this thing around, it ends up cutting there. So it's a little bit too long still, so we'll give it a couple more cranks. Perfect. Look at that. All right, so we got that there. So what we're going to do now is pick the unit up, and we'll put the battery in, and we'll give it a twist here. There's a little button on the side you're going to hold in, and then just hold it off the ground, and then hit the trigger. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Good job, honey. Yep. So that little noise you heard is the string coming out and tensioning up and cutting on the shroud, which it's supposed to do. Honey, you did an excellent job. Perfect job.
If I can do it, everyone can do it.
Nice. Well, that was a fun little tutorial there. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have, click that subscribe button. If not for me, for my wife, she did a great job. We're going to get into some more tool related items here on this channel. So you're going to want to stick around for that, and we'll see you there.